Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn the top 5 Flodesk automations to grow your business using Pabbly Connect. So here I have created 5 excellent Flodesk automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, which will help you add details of the Flodesk subscribers in your Google Sheets automatically, then create Flodesk subscribers on Google Form submission, then add WooCommerce customer details as Flodesk subscribers, then add Facebook lead ads leads as Flodesk subscriber, and then create Flodesk subscriber on Razorpay payment automatically. If you want to learn these amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn the top 5 Flodesk automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I am going to click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to show you the top 5 Flodesk automation that I have created with the help of this Pabbly Connect, and here I have created a folder by the name top 5 Flodesk automations, and here are my automations. So Flodesk is an email marketing platform designed to help businesses create beautiful, high-converting email campaigns. Ideal for entrepreneurs and small businesses, it offers a streamlined way to engage with audience and grow your brand. Flodesk also provides unique templates and easy integration with other tools to help you succeed in email marketing. So here the first one is add WooCommerce customer to Flodesk as subscriber. So this is an e-commerce integration, and if you run an online store, integrate Flodesk with your e-commerce platform, WooCommerce or example Shopify, and then whenever a customer will be created or a new purchase will happen in that e-commerce platform, a subscriber will be automatically created in Flodesk, which will help you send emails and follow-ups with product recommendation. So here two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, another is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add WooCommerce customer to Flodesk as subscriber, which means whenever a customer will be created in my WooCommerce, a subscriber will be automatically added in my Flodesk, which means whenever a customer will be created in this WooCommerce, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a customer is created in WooCommerce and then action says do this, then create subscriber in my Flodesk. So here what I did, I took WooCommerce as my trigger application, where I took my trigger event as new customer created. Then with the help of this webhook URL, I connected my WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and as soon as the new customer was created, I received the details of this customer in my Pabbly Connect. Then after I received the details of this customer in my Pabbly Connect, I wanted to add that as a subscriber in my Flodesk. So then in my action application, I took Flodesk where I wanted to create the subscriber. So I made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of an important step, which is mapping. Here as you can see that I have already received the response from my WooCommerce in my Pabbly Connect, and while doing this mapping, I can see the response over here in this WooCommerce. So here mapping is very important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually typing the details. After entering all these details, I did my final step and then click on the save and send test request, and then this subscriber was automatically created in my Flodesk account. So here is how I created this amazing automation of adding my WooCommerce customers to Flodesk as subscribers automatically. So now moving on to the next automation, which is create subscriber in Flodesk on Google Form Submission. So here you can sync the form submission and lead management. If you are using Google Forms, Typeform or any other custom web forms, you can integrate with the help of Pabbly Connect to send form submission directly to Flodesk and then create subscriber there in Flodesk and then add them to different segments for specific email sequences or newsletters. Here I have created this workflow in such a way that I took Google Forms as my trigger application, where I made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. I submitted a test form and received the response in my Google Forms, and then after receiving the response I wanted to create subscriber in my Flodesk. So I took Flodesk as my action application where I created this subscriber, and then after this action step I took another action step in which I want to add that subscriber in a segment, so that I can send specific email sequence to this particular subscriber. So this is how this automation was created, and I successfully added Flodesk subscriber on Google Form Submission. Now moving on to the next workflow, which is add new leads from Facebook leads to Flodesk. Here, integrating Facebook lead ads with Flodesk via Pabbly Connect is a powerful way to ensure that no leads are lost and that your new leads receive timely and relevant communication. With this setup, you can capture leads directly from Facebook ads, automatically add them to your email list in Flodesk, and then engage them in personalized email campaign without having to manually input their details. This type of automation is especially helpful for businesses that rely on Facebook advertising to generate leads and want to ensure those leads are quickly nurtured and converted. So here in this workflow, I took Facebook lead ads as my trigger application where I made connection with Pabbly Connect. I entered the page and then the lead gen form. I submitted a test form and then received the response in Pabbly Connect. Now I wanted to create this as subscriber. So in my action application, I took Flodesk where I made connection with Pabbly Connect and then with the help of mapping entered all these details, and then I successfully created the subscriber in my Flodesk that I have received from my Facebook lead ads. Here I used a step which is text formatter by Pabbly, in which I separated my first name with the last name because I wanted to map these values in my action step. So with these easy steps, we successfully added the Facebook lead ads leads to Flodesk. And now moving on to the next automation, which is create Flodesk subscriber on Razorpay payment. So here, integrating Razorpay with Flodesk via Pabbly Connect is an excellent way to automate customer engagement after payments or subscriptions. By setting up this integration, you ensure that your customers are added to your email list seamlessly, allowing you to send them timely and relevant personalized communication without manual effort. This ultimately enhances your customer experience, boosts sales, and save your valuable time in your business operation. So in this workflow, I took Razorpay as my trigger application because whenever a Razorpay payment happens, I want to create subscriber in my Flodesk. So here, I took Razorpay as my trigger application where I made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this unique webhook URL. Then I made a test payment and received the response in Pabbly Connect. Now after receiving the response, I want to create this as subscriber in my Flodesk. So here in my action application, I took Flodesk where I wanted to create the subscriber, and then I entered all these details of the subscriber that I have received response from my Razorpay. So this is how we created this workflow. Whenever a Razorpay payment has happened, a subscriber will be automatically created in my Flodesk account. Now moving on to the final automation, which is add Flodesk subscribers to Google Sheets automatically. Here, integrating Flodesk with Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect is a powerful and time-saving way to keep track on your email list and subscriber details. Once set up, this integration automates the process of capturing new subscribers and logging their information in spreadsheet, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on manual data entry. Now here in this workflow, I took Flodesk as my trigger application, as whenever a subscriber has been created in this Flodesk, I want to add the details of this subscriber in my Google Sheets. So then in my action application, I took Google Sheets. So here in my trigger application, I took Flodesk, where I made connection with Pabbly Connect, and then after making this connection, I submitted a form in Flodesk and received the response in Pabbly Connect. Now after receiving the response, I want to add all the details of this subscriber in my Google Sheets. So here I took action application as Google Sheets, where I took the Google Sheet in which I want to add all these details, then entered all these details with the help of mapping. And this is how I finally created this workflow, where I added the Flodesk subscriber details in my Google Sheets instantly and automatically. So here I have shown you the top 5 Flodesk automation that I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to learn that step-by-step tutorial, you can visit the YouTube channel, where you will be able to find various other automation and the step-by-step tutorial video for those automations. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.